In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chase Bank password using the Chase mobile app. It's a quick process, and I'll walk you through step by step in real time. Start by opening the Chase app on your phone. From the main account screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three horizontal lines where it says More. This will open up the menu. Next, scroll until you see the section called Profile and Settings and tap on that. Inside here, you'll want to go over to the Settings tab. Under Settings, look for Sign In Preferences. Go ahead and tap to expand this section. Now you'll see the option for Username and Password. Tap on that, and you'll see your profile details, including your username. Right next to Password, tap the arrow to continue. At this point, the app will ask you to type in your current password, then enter the new one you'd like to use and confirm it by typing it again. Once you've done that, tap Save. Your password will update instantly, and you'll use the new one the next time you log in. That's all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can change your Chase Bank password right inside the app and keep your accounts secure. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees, moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.